Hello there. Are you prepared to experience the deepest sleep of your life? Excellent. But first, I need you to take a deep breath and make a silent promise to yourself. In your mind, silently repeat after me. I am open to being fully guided by the echoes of this voice. With patience and trust, I surrender to this journey, knowing that it is the first step towards the most restorative sleep I've ever known. Wonderful. I trust that you will keep your promise. Let us begin. Find a place where you can lie down comfortably. Nestle into the space, ensuring your body feels supported and comfortable. Close your eyes and allow the external world to fade. Gently turn your awareness inward. Recognize the sensations you are currently experiencing. Every thought, emotion, or sensation that arises is welcome here. There is no need to judge or alter anything. Accept every fragment of this moment as it is. You are in perfect alignment with this moment. Now gently bring your attention to your breathing. Without manipulating your breath, begin to notice the feeling of inhaling. The air filling your lungs, rejuvenating every cell. Next, become aware of the air exiting your lungs, releasing air that no longer serves your body. Take a moment to be present with your breath's natural rhythm. Wherever you are in this moment is okay. Let's synchronize our journey with the rhythm of your breath. Imagine every inhale you are drawing in peace, and with every exhale you're releasing tension, negativity, and any burdens you may carry. Together we'll do this 3 times. As you follow this pattern, listen closely. I'll be sharing gentle affirmations with you to steer you into an even deeper state of relaxation. Are you ready? Begin by inhaling peace. Now exhaling tension. I am worthy of this moment of calm. Inhaling peace. Exhaling tension. With each cycle of breath, I am sinking into relaxation. Inhaling peace, exhaling tension. I allow my body to feel relaxed. Feel the stillness of this moment. Now I invite you to imagine yourself in a vast, boundless meadow. Feel the softness of the grass beneath your feet and the hushed whisper of the wind. Visualize the gentle sway of endless green, all under a mesmerizing midnight sky. The soft chirping of crickets blends harmoniously with the rustling of leaves, painting a symphony of peace. The moon, luminous and serene, bathes the entire landscape in a silver glow. This meadow offers you refuge, a haven far from life's whirlwinds and commotion. Breathe in the tranquility and feel its purity envelop you. This is a place of unparalleled peace, a sanctuary that has been crafted just for you. From your vantage point, a luxurious bed emerges, draped in fabric that seems to shimmer with the cherished memories of safety, joy, and serenity. Even from this distance, it beckons, radiating an aura of warmth and deep-rooted comfort. Yet, as you ponder approaching this bed, another form in the periphery stirs your curiosity. A promise of a journey even deeper into the realms of relaxation and self-discovery. You're drawn to explore with the knowledge that this bed, with its comforting embrace, will be there, patiently waiting for your return in a few minutes. Guided by an invisible force, you find yourself drawn towards the silhouette in your periphery, which reveals itself as an ornate gateway. You draw nearer and see it's crafted from ancient wood. Every inch is carved with your memories. Each marking represents different chapters from your life. You gently trace these symbols, and an overwhelming sense of familiarity and nostalgia wash over you. This isn't just any gateway. It's the gateway to the deeper realms of your consciousness. With anticipation, you gently push the heavy door and step through. Beyond it lies a grand marble staircase, serving to lead you further from the realm of consciousness and draw you closer to the tranquil depths of your subconscious. It is there that my words will anchor and guide you into deeper relaxation. As I count down from 6, you begin to descend. 1. As you take that first step, a gentle wave of comfort sweeps over you, reinforcing a deep sense of safety and security. 2. With each breath, the distant sounds of the meadow grow fainter, and a profound relaxation takes hold, grounding you in this moment. 3. Delving deeper, you feel embraced by the very essence of your inner self, pure and loving. 4. As you float downwards, it's as if you're weightless, effortlessly drawn to the tranquil depths of your subconscious. 5. The lines between reality and dreams become beautifully indistinct, and you find solace in the guidance of my voice, anchoring you in peace. 6. Now standing before the tranquil waters of your subconscious, You are at the threshold of a realm filled with boundless opportunities and immeasurable peace. Gently observe the waters as they mirror back your life's experiences, dreams, and desires. Here in this sanctum, your mind is receptive and unguarded, like a blank canvas, ready to embrace positive and life-enhancing affirmations. As you remain at the water's edge, feel the gentle pulse of the earth beneath you. Its rhythm aligns with your heartbeat, connecting you to the age-old source of comfort and safety. Now I want you to cast your mind back, not just to any memory, but to a moment of absolute peace, perhaps the most relaxed you've ever felt. Maybe it was a time as a child when you felt wrapped in the warmth of a loved one's embrace, or perhaps a moment when you watched the gentle ebb and flow of waves on a secluded beach, your footprints the only mark in the sand. Remember that feeling, how the world seemed to stop and nothing else mattered. And now imagine that you are a newborn, cradled in the arms of love. Just as a baby feels no weight of the world, no burdens, no tomorrows or yesterdays, you too can embrace this state. Right here, right now, nothing else matters. Every breath you take echoes the purity and innocence of a child, a baby without a single worry in the world, just pure, boundless peace. With that profound serenity in your heart, I want you to embrace the following affirmations. I am deserving of the deepest sleep and rejuvenation, just as I deserve love and care in my earliest moments. Every experience in my life has brought me to this point of serenity and deep rest. The weight of the world is not mine to bear tonight. I release it just as effortlessly as I would let go of a breath. As I drift deeper into relaxation, the boundary between dreams and reality softens, and I am wrapped in a tapestry of comforting memories and hopeful tomorrows. Each word I hear only serves to deepen my peace, guiding me to places of profound rest and rejuvenation. I trust in the process of sleep, as natural and necessary as the beating of my heart or the rise and fall of my chest. Safe in the embrace of the night, I surrender to the healing power of deep, unbroken sleep. I fall asleep with ease. Falling asleep quickly comes easily to me. These affirmations are your anchors, grounding you in the reality of this moment, where the promise of deep rests await. And as they resonate within, You feel them weaving a narrative of comfort, safety, and profound peace, preparing you for the most restful sleep you've ever known. As profound peace wraps around your being, you now find yourself at the base of the grand marble staircase. There's an undeniable urge to ascend, to rise, and to return to the meadow and the waiting comfort of that luxurious bed. Don't worry, I'll take you there. As I count down, you begin to step up the same staircase. 1. As you gently place your foot on the first step, a wave of drowsiness washes over you. With each step, you grow closer to profound rest. 2. Moving upwards, your eyelids feel heavier. The comforting weight of impending sleep settles deeper within. Your body and mind are ready to surrender to the call of sleep. 3. The world becomes softer, hazier with each elevation. Every sound, every thought lulls you further into the state of serene drowsiness. 4. As the meadow nears, your steps feel floaty, dreamlike, each motion pulling you deeper into a sleep-filled haze. The boundary between wakefulness and sleep blurs beautifully. 5. The chirping crickets blend with the soothing rhythm of your heart, each beat making you sleepier and sleepier. You are wrapped in a cocoon of comfort, ready to drift. 6. At the threshold, the overwhelming pull of sleep is almost irresistible. The bed's promise of deep rest beckons clearer than ever. You are on the verge of the most peaceful sleep. Every fiber of your being yearns for it. Floating through the archway, the vast meadow unfolds before you. Moonlight bathes the landscape in a soft, gentle glow. Your gaze returns to the luxurious bed in the distance, draped in shimmering fabric that holds the cherished memories of safety, joy, and serenity. Drawn to its embrace, you float with unwavering certainty. You gently settle into the bed. Every fiber, every thread feels as if it was designed for this very moment, for you. As you sink into the plush comfort, it cocoons you, wrapping around you, a feeling reminiscent of the most loving embrace you've ever known. In this sanctuary, in this haven of peace, nothing else matters. Only the rhythm of your heartbeat, the gentle cadence of your breath, and the promise of the deepest, most restorative sleep you've ever known. Drift away now. Drift into the abyss of serene dreams and boundless peace as the world fades away. Sleep deeply, peacefully, and awaken rejuvenated. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Rest well, dear soul. Sweet dreams.